Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear out old unpaid bills in QuickBooks Online. Managing unpaid bills is important for keeping your business finances accurate and organized. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready for a smooth start. Once logged in, go to the report section. You can use the search bar to quickly find the unpaid bills report. This report shows a list of outstanding bills along with key details such as due date and amount, giving you a clear overview of what still needs attention. To focus on specific periods, adjust the date range at the top of the report. This helps you filter bills by the time frame you want to review. Next, scroll to the bottom of the report and click the More option. From here, you'll find the action to delete bills you no longer need. QuickBooks Online will always ask for confirmation before deleting, so you don't have to worry about accidental changes. After you confirm, the selected unpaid bill is removed, helping you keep your records clean and manageable. You can repeat the process for multiple unpaid bills until your account is fully organized, and that's how you clear out old unpaid bills in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your records tidy ensures smoother financial management moving forward.